Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I wanted to share my Louis Vuitton repair experience on two pieces. One of them being on the Pochette Accessoires. This is the new model version. Also on the Pochette Metis. Mine is on the Empreinte in a special edition color. I took both of my Pochette Metis and my Pochette Accessoires to Louis Vuitton at the same time, but they gave me a quote for the Pochette Accessoires that I wasn't really ready for, or the repairs that I was asking for. I felt like I could use my bag a little bit more, so I didn't submit them together, but I definitely could have. Just to clarify, I did not do any changes to the actual bag itself. My issue was with the strap. The strap had issues with the hardware, and the hardware in the interior was cracking. You could see like erosion exposed. I don't know what caused it. I keep all of my bags in the same room. This was the only piece where that was happening too, and that was interesting because it was a piece that I hadn't had in my collection for so long, comparing like all of my other pieces and the hardware that they had compared to this one. I got my Pochette Metis in 2022, I believe. So I thought the wear was not lining up with one, the usage, and two, the age. So I did take it into Louis Vuitton for them to look into the piece and then let me know what they thought of it. If you have taken any pieces to Louis Vuitton for repair, you know that they'll give you a quote before you submit it so that you can make your assessment on what you want to do with the piece. For this one in particular, they said that the repair was going to be free of charge because it wasn't something that was normal for the age. All the other hardware on the actual piece and on the bag itself looked fine, like it wasn't matching up. Even like the rings where the actual hook is hooked onto, it doesn't have that sort of wear. It does have wear where it just kind of rubs, like, you know, discoloration, but it didn't have that tarnishing that the clasp had. Now this is post repair, so I did take some images before and hopefully you can see the area of concern at the time. And so after getting it, one, so thankful that it was a free repair because I think I would have paid for it anyways because I wanted it to be fixed and to look crisp and to kind of match all the other hardware that's in the bag itself. Thankful about that. And then two, I don't know if anything happened to the actual strap. I didn't ask for anything to take place with the strap because it was fine, like I didn't have any issues with it, but it kind of seems like they might have done some touch-ups here and there, like if whoever was working on my strap, if they felt something needed to be fixed. So thankful for that. But it could also be the fact that I didn't have my strap for some months, that I kind of felt like it was a little bit different. Like I kind of felt like the actual color was a little bit, like it just kind of felt new, like I got a whole new strap. I can almost assure that that's not even what happened. But the actual hardware, I don't know exactly what they did to it, but to me it just looks like they might have sanded down the actual clasp a little bit and then painted over it. Now I did submit it in May and the piece was ready for pickup in late August. I wasn't available to pick it up then, so I did pick it up in September. I have worn the piece. I don't think I took any pictures of it right away, but when they gave it to me, it looked fine. It looked perfect. Now I have worn the bag since, and I do see a little bit of discoloration happening already, but again, the repair was free, so if I do have to submit it for repair at a future date, I'm okay with that. And the way it looks at this current moment in time is fine and aligns perfect with the actual ring on the bag where this is hooked onto, so I'm fine that they match. So again, nothing against them. I probably should have provided you details as soon as I picked it up because it honestly looked like almost a brand new piece. I know it wasn't brand new because I could tell that they did some kind of work on the inner portion. It's probably gonna be so hard for me to show you, but like on the inner portion of the ring, it just looked, you know, kind of like it was sanded down and painted, at least from my point of view. It's not like they gave me a whole new clasp and for free. I mean, it's fine, it does the work. And here's the other one where you might not be able to tell, but, and if you can't tell, that's actually a good thing, right? It kind of says that they did a good repair. Let me see, I'm hoping it's gonna focus. So that inner portion looks like silver and it looks like how it should for a 3-year-old bag. So that was the first repair. Oh, and here is the buckle just for reference. This one was perfect and I don't think they did anything to it like the way it was before I submitted it. That's pretty much how it looks. And on the bag, just for reference, you may not be able to see, but I do want to try to show you the wear that it has in that inner ring, because it does have a little bit just from where, you know, my strap dances as I wear it, or even I think you can see it a little bit more on this one. Well, hopefully you can see that, but I feel that the hardware tone, color, and wear that both of these have, both being the actual clasp and the hook, match completely, so I'm happy about that. My other piece, the one that I actually did have to pay for repair, which is fine because this bag itself, I got it in 2014, so it's been a long time since I've had it, and I do have my receipts here just to kind of give you the exact details. I ended up paying $730 for the changes that I did to the bag, and that was 2 major changes. Probably mentioned before in my channel some concerns I had with my Pochette accessoires before I submitted it, and now it looks great. I have extended the life of this for sure. One of the concerns was here. It was kind of tearing on one of the sides just because I use this primarily as a crossbody, and as you twist and turn, you're obviously putting a little bit of stress on the actual piece. Because it was tearing on one of the ends, I did get the entire bottom piece replaced. For that piece in particular, it was the bottom gusset band that was $435. So if you are looking at a pre-owned Pochette accessoires that has some wear, that's about what you can expect at this point in time. So just to backtrack a little bit, when I picked up my strap, I dropped off my Pochette accessoires. So dropped it off in September and picked it up in November. They took about the same amount of time in the repair shop. Louis Vuitton is very good about giving you updates. If you do have a profile with them, you can check the status of your repair piece online, which is something that I am thankful for. And having 2 pieces go into the repair center back to back, I can tell you that is a very good gauge, and it is very timely. Once I picked up my piece, the status did change. So if you do have a repair piece and you're kind of wondering, try to log into your profile to see what's the status, because I do find that to be quite accurate and a good depiction of how much more time you can kind of anticipate to the initial ETA that they give you. I find that most of it is 6 to 9 weeks that they tell you up front, because obviously they don't know, and your piece is not the only piece that's going into repair. So that is a good thing to note in case you are planning to put in a piece into service or currently have one and you don't necessarily have the time to call them to check on the status. Check there first. The next thing that I got repaired was the actual zipper, like the entire zipper, because similar to this end, on this end I was seeing some like heavy fraying to where I do feel like it was going to tear the zipper eventually, primarily more on one side rather than both. That includes the hardware, and because I did this piece, my hardware piece here I believe is brand new, and because most of the hardware on this piece is on this zipper pull, those appear to be new as well. Now they could have just been polished. I do think the zipper itself is brand new, but this piece again, it could have just been polished, and that might have been the case. Now the actual, you know, made in stamp, I do believe it's the original. No changes occurred on the interior of the bag, no changes on the front side, on the back side, and this little piping that goes around is exactly the same because it doesn't look brand new. I definitely have wear on it from just owning it for 10 years now, right? Here is the actual zipper. So my concern was here on the ends, right here where it meets the canvas. That was basically my area of concern. And for the entire zipper, again, if you are looking into this particular piece or another Pochette accessoires, these are about the prices that you can expect. Now, if they are limited edition pieces, then that might sway the price one way or another. And there is multiple versions of this one being the new model. So keep that in mind. So for the main glided sip. That was $295 US. So in total, $730 plus tax was for the repair. And the initial quote that I had received, it was about $940 which the lady, she had advised, she's like, well, for that price range, I would recommend for you to look into an existing piece that we can offer, that you can buy currently, and put that money towards that, and then just kind of enjoy your piece. Because again, it wasn't terrible, it wasn't on its last leg. That is why I didn't submit this whenever I did submit the strap in May. I'm very happy with my Pochette accessoires. Now, the reason why I brought this one out was because whenever I got this bottom piece looked like it was probably a little bit too big, and it could just be from where it was waiting for me to go pick it up, or you know, from shipping from the repair center over to the actual store where I had dropped it off. It could be a variety of different factors, but I felt like the bottom piece, because I did get this replaced, was a little bit bigger. So at the store I was like, wow, I probably have, you know, just a little bit of a wider capacity now that I did the repair through Louis Vuitton. Where I picked it up, I didn't have any of my other two to compare it to right off the bat, but whenever I got home I did look into it, and literally it's just because of how it is. Like, I haven't used it since picking it up, and obviously I do have it stored, but if I'm comparing, like, you know, how many checkers go across versus how many go across here, it's the exact same. And obviously when you do repair something, it's not going to be immaculate or exactly how the original piece came, so do expect a little bit of wiggle room, but do feel at peace with how it looks against my other one, because it looks great. It's just literally my mind and the fact that I have nothing on here. I do have my strap, and this strap is so great for the 10 years. I did not do anything to this, and I don't feel the need to submit this particular piece into repair. This is the one that's, you know, that's the bag comes with. Now this one, let me just show you. I didn't have any issues with the hardware on this piece, so you can kind of see that. I mean, there was wear on the little ring here, so which is why I think either they cleaned it or they gave me a new one, but I'm leaning towards they probably cleaned it. That is my 10-year-old Pochette accessoires that I am very confident to say that I will for sure be submitting my other two for repair if I so need to later down in the line. I would probably do it again with this piece. Now at that point in time, the prices are obviously not going to be as they are right now, but I get so much wear off of this piece. It's one of my favorite pieces within my collection. I find that Louis Vuitton does a great job with repairing the pieces. At least now having two pieces going to the repair shop in 2024, I had a great experience. I have submitted my Neverfull also in the damier bin to repair some years back, and I had a great experience then. So if you're contemplating, I will suggest it unless you find someone else outside of Louis Vuitton that can do the repairs and guarantee that it's gonna look great. But I will be okay with spending the money for the repairs directly from Louis Vuitton. So at this point in time, this is officially my most expensive Pochette accessoires that I have within my collection. It was the cheapest, but now it is the most expensive, now knowing that I have refurbished the piece. But I have zero regrets, and I'm very happy with both of my items, knowing this one was free. If you have any questions, please let me know what that is down below. I want to thank you so very much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.